We used to get on that pedal boat, pedal up and down the San Antonio River until we couldn't feel our legs.
Wow!
My father would later confess to me that he brought us out here just to wear us out. It worked.
Don't hit me, okay?
Such a memorable tradition that continued that as a very young kid myself. However, their Durango's, they've never seen a predator. They've seen them in pictures, in drawings. They've seen me on photos with the pedal boats, but they never saw them. They were taken out of the river in 1986. My oldest daughter was born in 1999. I still bring them to downtown, take them to church, and let them walk around the wall. I too feed them chips, water, and that's all.
Amen. Amen.
Take a look here to the left-hand side. Up above, up on street level, you're going to see a church. This is no ordinary church, everyone. Here to my left, up on street level. This is St. Joseph's, the first church built in the state of Texas after the Battle of the Alamo.
Wow.
It's a turning point. It's a German church. If you're from Texas, you should know that we have a lot of German settled towns here in Texas. If you're not from Texas, you're going to start realizing this now that you've heard this. But most people in the country have no idea why we have so many German towns. Well, I'm glad you got on this right. I'm going to tell you today. When the United States was first made a country in 1776,
Get the narrator.
it was only 13 British colonies. Most people today are completely unaware that true Americans are British descendant immigrants who came here, who established a country. If you're not a British descendant person, you are an immigrant to the 13 British colonies. Second wave of people that came to America were not British, they were German. British Americans didn't take well to their arrival. They didn't want them in the 13 colonies. They would quadruple the cost of land to Germans with no options of financing. Mexico would get word of this, and they would create a federal program to assist Germans to come into Texas, Mexico. It was called the Mexican Land Grant. Mexico would offer Germans free 40 acres of land, any additional acreage for 12.5 cents. And guess what, Germans? You didn't have to pay taxes on the 40 acres given for the first 7 years. Germans fled to Texas, Mexico. They established Fredericksburg, New Braunfels, Kerrville, Bernie, Selma. I'm sure I could go on and on and on. They were such good residents of Mexico. Mexico would grandfather in the Irish, the Scottish, and the Polish. In fact, I've never heard of the Mexican land grant ever spoken of publicly in America until this last presidential race. There's a candidate by the name of Mitt Romney, who we all come to find out that his father and grandfather were born in Mexico. But he's also more than British Americans didn't want Mormons in America either. They were shut out of the country. Mexico didn't care what you wanted as long as you were good citizens. You were welcome to come into Mexico and take part of the Mexican land grant, free 40 acres. In fact, most people don't know that all of the defenders of the Alamo, they all died Mexican citizens. Go to the Alamo, do your research. It's good documentation. They were here because of the Mexican land grant. In just 180 years, Mexico's generosity to immigrants coming to the 13 British colonies has long gone forgotten. No one talks about that in public school. Here to the left-hand side up above, we have a mosaic mural done by the artist Gwen O'Gorman back in 1968. Used over 400,000 one-inch natural rock tiles. 8 different colors. 7 of those colors, natural rocks. The color blue, not natural in nature. The theme of the mural, confluence of civilization. Now, how many of us are visiting San Antonio for the first time? First time visitors? All right. Bienvenidos a la ciudad de San Antonio. Welcome to the city of San Antonio.